What's going on, guys? It's Jay, that drain guy.
You don't have patience.
Who?
You.
I got all the patience in the world. I don't know. I thought Sibo was gonna meet me up here. How come that lady out front won't let me park there no more?
Look, this sheet dry clean. I won't change toilet. I won't change shower. I try flush it. It was disaster.
Apparently. Who lived here?
No, who live in the house? All of the fucking loser.
Yummy!
Okay, Jason, thanks.
All right, thanks a lot, Boris. No problem. Thank you.
Thank you.
Oh, this is definitely a fun one. Alright, so you guys can see, toilet's going fine now. This is how somebody kept their unit. Nice, right? Alright guys, this has been Jay, that drain guy, checking out. Turog now.